Good evening, my amazing people. How are you all doing today? Welcome back to your favorite channel, where we turn small budgets into big dreams. I'm your host, Badamosi Omalola. If you're new here, welcome to the family. Please BOOP that like button, smash the subscribe button, and let's dive into this juicy challenge. Can you really live big on just $50 for a week of food? Some might say it's impossible, but I'm here to prove otherwise. Stick with me as I share my step-by-step process, hilarious moments, and game-changing hacks that you can start using right away. By the end of this video, you'll be inspired to take on this challenge yourself. Let's go. Now, before we jump into the details, let's set some ground rules for this challenge. No borrowing extra cash, no raiding a secret stash of snacks, and absolutely no skipping meals. It's all about discipline, creativity, and making every dollar count. This isn't just about saving money, it's about proving that you can live well, eat delicious meals, and even have a little fun, all within a tight budget. And let's not forget the goal here, my people. It's about showing you that a little planning can go a long way. Whether you're a student, a working professional, or someone just trying to stretch your paycheck, this challenge is for everyone. Trust me, if I can do it, so can you. So grab your notebooks and let's dive into the nitty-gritty. By the way, as we go along, keep an eye out for my pro tips and funny little moments. This journey is full of surprises, and I can't wait to share them with you. Plus, there might be a few unexpected twists you won't want to miss. Success starts with a solid plan, and this challenge is no different. Before stepping into a market or store, I sat down with my notepad and phone to create a weekly meal plan. My goal? Maximize nutrition and flavor while staying under budget. Audit your pantry, start with what you already have. I found rice, spices, and some lentils hiding in my pantry. These became the foundation of my plan. Draft your meals, think simple and affordable. For breakfast, I planned oatmeal with bananas and honey. Lunch: a rotation of rice-based meals, veggie stir-fry, and hearty stews. Include snacks: I budgeted for popcorn kernels and seasonal fruit for healthy snacking. Price research: I checked local markets and online stores to find the best deals before I even left the house. And here's a bonus tip: don't be afraid to get creative with your ingredients. For example, I realized I could use those lentils in not just soups but also as a topping for rice or even in a quick lentil salad with veggies. Every item in your pantry can serve multiple purposes if you think outside the box. My oatmeal breakfast plan costs just $1 a day, and the hearty stew dinner less than $2 per serving. Who says you can't eat well on a budget? Plus, I added a fun twist to my meal prep by turning it into a challenge for myself. How many delicious meals could I create using the least number of ingredients? You'd be surprised at how creative you can get when you have a goal in mind. With this level of planning, we're already winning. But wait till you see how I shopped for all of this. You're going to love it. The market is where the magic happens. Shopping smart isn't just about finding cheap items, it's about choosing value-packed foods that stretch across multiple meals. Let me walk you through my shopping process. Stick to your list, impulse buys will blow your budget. I kept my eyes on rice, beans, and veggies, no distractions. Buy in bulk. Items like rice, beans, and pasta are cheaper when bought in larger quantities. Seasonal is cheaper. Seasonal fruits and veggies are fresher, more nutritious, and easier on the wallet. Negotiate. In local markets, haggling is expected. I managed to knock a few dollars off my bill by negotiating prices with a friendly smile. I grabbed a 5 kilograms bag of rice for $8, a pack of frozen veggies for $4, and 6 eggs for $1.50. These staples alone covered 4 days' worth of meals. Shopping is only half the fun. Wait till you see how I turned these basic ingredients into mouth-watering meals on a budget. Cooking on a budget doesn't mean boring food. With a few creative hacks, you can transform basic ingredients into something extraordinary. Let me show you how I did it. Bulk cooking. I prepped big batches of rice, beans, and a tomato-based stew to save time and fuel. Spices are your best friend. I used affordable staples like curry powder, thyme, and paprika to create bold flavors. One-pot meals. These save both money and effort. My go-to was a veggie and bean stew that was hearty, delicious, and cost less than $3 for 4 servings. Stretch ingredients. Adding shredded carrots and cabbage to rice not only adds nutrition but also stretches your meals further. And here's another hack. Repurpose leftovers creatively. That same stew I made, I turned it into a sauce for pasta on day 3 and added a boiled egg for extra protein. Total upgrade for just pennies. My dinner on day 2 was fried rice with leftover veggies and scrambled eggs. Total cost, about $2 for 2 portions. And it tasted amazing. And don't forget about presentation. A sprinkle of herbs or a drizzle of sauce makes even the simplest meal feel fancy on a budget. Doesn't this sound good? Imagine eating this well all week on just $50. I've still got more to share, let's keep going. It's easy to lose track of spending if you're not careful, so I made sure to log every purchase and stick to my budget. This helped me avoid overspending and identify areas where I could save more in the future. Use a free app. I used a simple app to log expenses and compare them to my $50 goal. Plan for leftovers. I made enough food to cover lunch and dinner the next day, cutting down on waste. Stay flexible. If I found a deal on chicken instead of fish, I adjusted my meal plan accordingly. I found a pack of chicken thighs on sale for $4. Instead of sticking to my original fish plan, I swapped it out and used the savings for a treat, some chocolate. Discipline is the key to success, and tracking makes it even easier. Ready to see how I made it to the finish line? Let's wrap this up. This challenge wasn't just about the food, it was about proving to myself, and to you, that with a little creativity and discipline, you can thrive on a small budget. Plus, I had $5 left over. Planning is everything. Knowing exactly what you need prevents overspending. Simplicity wins. Simple, affordable meals can be satisfying and delicious. It's okay to treat yourself. Budgeting isn't about deprivation, it's about balance. And let's not forget the lessons learned along the way. I discovered how much I could stretch $1 when I focused on mindful spending. Whether it was negotiating at the market or making small ingredient swaps, every choice made a difference. I also found joy in experimenting with new recipes. Cooking at home became more than just a necessity, it turned into a fun, creative outlet. Can you believe it? We not only survived but thrived on $50 this week. Now it's your turn to give it a try. And hey, let me know if you manage to beat my leftover $5. You might just inspire me to go even lower next time. Family, this challenge was a win. And now I challenge you to try it. Let me know how it goes, and if you have tips to share, drop them in the comments. Remember, big things come in small budgets. Hit that subscribe button and join our growing family for more tips, challenges, and inspiration. Smash that like button if you enjoyed this challenge or learned something new. Comment below, what's your best budget hack? Let's learn from each other. Ask me questions or suggest a new challenge idea. I'm here to make content that you love. And don't forget to share this video with a friend who could use a little budget inspiration. Also, hit that notification bell so you never miss a challenge or money-saving tip. Thank you for spending your time with me today. You're the reason this channel keeps growing, and I'm so grateful. Let's keep this money-saving journey going. Thank you so much for watching, and remember, living big is all about mindset. See you in the next video.